Today we are going to learn about I, we, you, she, he, it, they. Read the following sentences. 1. Mohit likes to play. Mohit likes to play in the park. 2. Mohit likes to play. He likes to play in the park. He is the word used in place of Mohit. Some other words used in place of naming words are I, you, she, it, they, and we. For male names, we use he and his. For female names, we use she and her. Words like I, you, we, they can be used for both male and female names. We use it for names of animals or objects. A. Tick the correct words in the brackets. She, have to catch the bus. This is the house where we live. It, is near a park. Rishi goes to the toy shop. He buys a toy car. Sakshi goes to the Qutub Minar. She likes it and takes some photos. She buys a rose for her mother. It is beautiful. Thank you.